We'll talk about the last part of this chapter, clause. Exercise C. Underline the noun clause and the subject, object, subject, complement, object of a preposition or an element in a position to a noun or pronoun. That he will participate is certain, so that he will participate is noun clause, subject of a verb. She says her brother is not well, object of the verb says noun clause. I did not know that he was guilty, object of the verb know that he was guilty. The principal announced that the certificates would be awarded on annual day. Would be awarded means that the certificates would be awarded on annual day is the noun clause, object of the verb announced. Their belief about the earth that it is flat is absurd, noun clause, subject complement of the verb. It is obvious who had stolen your wallet, noun clause. Whatever happened is now in the past, subject of a verb is noun clause. I feel I know you, subject I know you, subject complement of the verb feel, and all depends on how he performs in the final. The preposition object means NC, noun clause, object of a preposition. Her request is that she may be allowed to leave. So that she may be allowed to leave, noun clause, subject complement of the verb is. Adjective or relative clause. The clause which has a subject and a predicate and works as an adjective is called adjective clause. Examples: the new coat is in the car. Which coat? New coat. The coat which I bought yesterday is in the car. Which coat? The coat I bought yesterday. Now, in the first sentence, the word new describes, these two have already been mentioned. In the second sentence, the clause which I bought yesterday modifies the noun coat. To introduce an adjective clause, we use relative pronouns or relative adverbs. Relative pronouns who, whom, whose, which, that, and who, whom, whose for persons, which is used for things, and that for both persons and things. Examples: she is the girl who works in my office. The computer which I usually use has crashed. He has lost the painting that you gave him. In these three sentences, who, which, and that are the relative pronouns used to introduce adjective clauses. Relative adverbs: where, when, why. Examples: I have visited the place where Lord Krishna was born. When the time when the flight will land has not been announced. I don't know the reason why he is so upset. In these three sentences, where, when, and why are relative adverbs, and to introduce adjective clauses and specify place, time, reason. We sometimes omit relative pronouns or relative adverbs while introducing adjective clauses, but these are understood. Examples: Anubha saw a girl whom she knew. Here, whom has no importance. It depends upon us whether to put or not. The relative pronoun whom is understood. Where is the gift which he left for me? The relative pronoun which is understood. Now, exercise D. Underline the adjective clauses in these sentences and write the relative pronoun or adverbs which introduces such clauses. Which is the house where your uncle lives? Where your uncle lives, that is adjective clause, and where is relative adverb. Whose guidance helped me a lot, that is adjective clause, and whose is pronoun. Third one, when we should unite against corruption, adjective clause when, and when that is adjective clause, and when is adverb clause. In the same way, whom she wants to marry, adjective clause, whom is pronoun. In the same way, which has 8 legs, adjective clause, which is pronoun. Who is younger than him, adjective clause, who is pronoun. Why I sent him away, adjective clause, why is adverb. That your sister designed, adjective clause, that pronoun. In the same way, that he bought, adjective clause, that pronoun. That the teacher gave us, adjective clause, that is pronoun. Now, exercise E. Underline the subordinate clause in each sentence and write whether it is noun clause or an adjective clause. Only answers are given. Who can read a book? Subordinate clause. Who can read a book backwards? Subordinate clause, adjective clause. That he is a vegetarian, subordinate clause, noun clause. That I had seen before, subordinate clause, adjective clause. That I don't know the answer, subordinate clause, noun clause. How to bake a cake, noun clause, subordinate clause. That the child was going to cry, subordinate clause, noun clause. In the same way, that 70% of our population is illiterate, subordinate clause, noun clause. In the same way, how to answer, subordinate clause, noun clause. When Sumit will arrive, subordinate clause, noun clause. And what he told me, subordinate clause, noun clause. That leads to the other side of the fort, subordinate clause, adjective clause. And what this sentence means, subordinate clause, noun clause. Now, adverb clause. A group of words which has a subject and a predicate and does the work of an adverb is called the adverb clause. My family arrived before it started raining. In this sentence, before it started raining, these words are working as an adjective. For more examples and exercises, see chapter 8. So this chapter is over.